What is the most bizarre thing you've caught yourself doing after your brain's autopilot misfired? Vigorously picking my nose while holding a cigarette and driving, crammed lit cigarette up my nose. I was getting ready for work and had a contact in one hand and a vitamin in the other. Popped the contact in my mouth and washed it down with a glass of water. I'm sure the stomach acid took care of it. When I was around 13 or 14, I woke up in the middle of the night, in my own bed and room, and thought to myself, I need to go home before my parents realize I'm not home. So I sneak out of the house, part of me obviously aware that my parents were sleeping and I needed to be quiet, and walked a block away. Then I realized I had been in my own room and just thought, what the hell am I doing? So I walked back and snuck back into bed. So weird.